How often should you change your makeup sponges? By beautywonks.com. Makeup sponges have become an essential tool in many beauty routines. However, the question of how often they should be replaced is often overlooked. Maintaining proper hygiene when using makeup sponges is vital. These sponges come into direct contact with your skin, picking up oils, dirt, and bacteria. It's recommended to clean your makeup sponge after every use. Use a gentle soap or a cleanser specifically designed for makeup tools. A dirty sponge can harbor bacteria that may cause skin issues, including acne and infections. Even with regular cleaning, makeup sponges don't last forever. One of the first signs that your sponge needs replacing is when it starts to break apart or lose its shape. Another indicator is the appearance of stains that won't wash out. If your sponge develops an unpleasant odor, it's definitely time to get a new one. Experts generally recommend replacing makeup sponges every 3 months, even with regular cleaning. For those who use makeup sponges daily, replacing them more frequently, such as every month or two, may be advisable. Replacing makeup sponges regularly can raise concerns about environmental impact. To address this, some brands have started producing eco-friendly sponges made from biodegradable materials. Another option is to invest in higher quality sponges that last longer. For those concerned about hygiene and environmental impact, there are alternatives to traditional makeup sponges. Silicone makeup applicators, for example, don't absorb product and are easier to clean thoroughly. Brushes are another alternative that many find effective for applying makeup. They can be easier to clean and maintain, and high-quality brushes can last for years with proper care. To maintain the health of your skin and the effectiveness of your makeup application, incorporating good practices is key. Regularly cleaning your makeup sponges and tools is a habit that should not be overlooked. By following proper cleaning practices and replacing your sponges every 3 months, you can help prevent skin issues and ensure a flawless makeup application.